Hi there, I'm Nandini. Welcome to my kitchen, and I would like to bring in the most delicious and favorite snack for generations, which is KODUBALE, and also called as Mysore KODUBALE. The ingredients required for this are Badgi Mensankai, which I showed you, which we had to soak for about 15 minutes, about 8 to 10 red chilies, 3 cups of rice flour, and a little bit of hing, and about a cup or 1.5 cups of grated coconut, a large spoon of butter, and I have salt here, and I have jeera, okay, and I have til here. So these are the ingredients required for Mysore KODUBALE. Take some red chilies, Badgi Mensankai. This would be less pungent, okay. I prefer to take about 8 to 10 red chilies. Soak them in water for about half an hour. Now let's grind the coconut. I would like to mention, take one whole coconut and grate it. And grate it lightly so that it doesn't form some chunks there. So we can form a smooth paste. Now take the soaked red chilies which I had told you. Put them into the grinder. Add a little water. Very less water. And let's grind these two together. Now let's grind the coconut and the soaked red chilies into a very smooth paste with very little water. Now let me take the smoothly ground paste of coconut and red chilies and transfer them onto a bowl. I would like to mention that I have added hing while grinding this paste so that it combines properly. And now take a very large spoon of butter and mix it with the ground paste so that it thoroughly mixes with this paste. It has to thoroughly mix. So let's put all the ingredients together. This is about 3 cups of rice flour, cumin seeds, jeera or jeerage. You can add how much you would like to. And we have the white yellow or the white til, okay. So add this. And of course salt to your taste. So let's mix this now. So as you mix these, it has to be of a thick consistency so that you can roll the KODUBALE properly. In case you need more rice flour, you can add it. But as of now, I think 2 cups would be sufficient. So let me mix all these together. So here I have rolled all these rings of KODUBALE. As I told you, there are multiple rings and a single ring KODUBALE. So it is up to you what you would like to, okay. So let the oil be heated completely. So when you are putting the KODUBALE into the oil, lower the flame a little bit. It should not be too high. So now let me slide the rings of KODUBALE slowly one by one into the heated oil. Lower the flame a little bit. Be careful, they will splash. Maintain a constant temperature. Neither too high or neither too low. So leave it for a few seconds. Let the rings harden a little bit. So after that you can flip the rings. Yes. Okay. And I would also like to mention that this is totally maida free. Okay, it's completely rice flour. Now I have deep fried the KODUBALE rings in batches. And keep in mind, be a little patient, okay? It will take some time for the rings to properly cook, otherwise, like it will be raw in the middle. So if it has to be crispy, maintain a constant temperature, be patient, leave them on for a while, maintain a constant flame, okay? And then fry them until they are sort of golden brown. Yes, so this batch of KODUBALE is ready now. So fry all the rings which you have prepared in batches, and your crispy, yummy, delicious, the most favorite of all for generations. I hope the KODUBALEs have come out properly. Enjoy the snack. So visit my channel for more videos to come. So I'll come up with more recipes, which I have learned from my grandmother, my mother-in-law, my mother. So stay tuned on my channel. I will be coming up for more. So at last, the crispy, yummy KODUBALEs are ready for you to taste. Try it at home and let me know. So if you are looking for any more recipes, do comment on my channel. I can provide you the recipe and the ways to make that. Thank you so much. Stay tuned on my channel and please subscribe. Thank you for your support.